Hello students, we will continue with the grammar section given in the textbook below the chapter number 4. Everybody look at page number 16. Affirmative and negative sentences. What do you mean by affirmative sentence? Look at this definition. If a sentence does not contain any negative words, it is called as affirmative sentence. Look at these examples. I failed to complete the work. There is hardly any sense in what you say. He refused to go. All these examples show us that these are affirmative sentence because no negative words are used in it. Now look at this. What do you mean by negative sentence? If a sentence contains negative words, it is called as negative sentences. See the examples. I could not complete the work. There is no sense in what you say. He said he wouldn't go. Children, the negative words are there, so these sentences are called as negative sentences. Please note this important thing. While interchanging negative and affirmative sentences, the meaning and tense must not change. Means when you are changing any sentence from affirmative to negative or from negative to affirmative, that time be careful. You must not change the meaning of the sentence and the tense. You should keep it same. Now see, look at the question given on page number 16. Say whether the following sentences are affirmative or negative. First sentence, we must avoid hurting others. Affirmative sentence. Second, she did not offer me any help. It is negative sentence. Never give up hopes. Negative. You must keep away from bad company. Affirmative sentence. There is nothing in the bag. Negative sentence. Entry is prohibited without permission. It is affirmative sentence. Now, textbook page number 22. Look at this question. Make the following negative using the negative words given. They have given some sentences. Into bracket, the negative words are also given. We have to add those negative words and make these sentences negative. First sentence. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. Into bracket is given not many. The answer is there were not many potted plants in the courtyard. Second sentence. They looked healthier than the other plants. Answer is the other plants did not look as healthy as they did. Children, we are changing the positive sentence into negative. Positive or affirmative sentence we are changing into negative by using the negative words given in the bracket. Look at the third sentence. She refused to share her secret. Answer is she would not share her secret with us. Fourth question. She went around asking everyone about her plants. Answer is she did not fail to go around asking everyone about her plants. Now look at the seventh question given on page number 22. Make the following affirmative using the words given. Means what we have to do? The sentences are negative. In the bracket they have given the positive words. By using those bracket words, we have to change these sentences into affirmative. First sentence. There was no breeze. In the bracket, word is given hardly. Now we have to remove no and write there hardly. So answer is there was hardly any breeze. Second sentence. Their ridicule did not deter her. We have to remove this negative words did not. So answer is their ridicule failed to deter her. Third sentence. Her mother knew nothing about it. Nothing is the negative word. We have to change it, replace it with the positive word denied. Answer is her mother denied she knew anything about it. Fourth sentence. She did not give up. Did not we have to remove and add there refused to. So answer is she refused to give up.